Honorable Speaker, Honorable Chair, you can raise, you can shout.
Order, members, order.
But when people expose their ignorance on the floor of this house, we cannot save them from exposing their ignorance of the subject matter of legislative agenda of the house. And members,
Order, members.
I've done it before, but in the meantime,
Order, members. Order, members.
Are we supposed to dance? Ruto must go.
Order, members. Order. 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 So, order. Honorable members, order.